So I'm back with another video, and today as you can see up in the title, I'm going to be making Fluffy slime. So all you need, some shaving cream, a bowl, a mixer. This is optional, but I got green food coloring because there was no blue. And then eye relief. And there's glue. So I'm just gonna open up the lid and pour all of it in. Whoa, that's a lot of glue.
She had spinach for dinner.
I did not have spinach for dinner, and I'm with my grandpa, which is my Papa Grump. Okay, I think that's good. Right. So, I'm gonna put some shaving cream.
Shake it up. Shake it up good.
Okay. So, shake it up. Shaking it up. So. Okay, I'm gonna try that for now.
Oh, go a little more.
Okay. Little bit more.
Okay.
And then mix it up. Okay, so next I'm gonna put in the eye relief.
I think we need more than that.
Yeah, we'll probably need more. Oh, jeez. It's actually working. Okay. And you don't want to add, like, a lot, but you want to add so much that it will turn into something. And then I'm going to add in the color right now. Okay, so there.
Start stirring.
I put in the green. Oh my gosh. We should have put this in earlier though.
Maybe.
But that's okay.
Keep going.
It's not sticking. This is the first time I've ever made
My
slime.
goodness. That is wrong.
Why?
Just weird.
Actually, it's really fun to play with.
I think it might be, but it's weird.
It sticks a little bit, but that's okay. Because, like, if you touch it back on again, it won't stick anymore. So,
You want a spoon? Be easier to stir with?
no, I'm just going to start kneading it with
Okay.
my hands.
Let me have that. Get all that off of there.
Oh, wow.
Before it sticks too much.
So, can I put it on the counter?
Yep.
Okay. So, it's kneading. And it's really fluffy, but that's what I like about it. And it's not too much green, it's just a light green. I don't think you guys can see it, but it's just a light green. Thinking a little more contact solution.
Need a little more what?
Contact solution.
Okay.
That's good. So I'm just gonna
I'm gonna
start.
throw this away.
Okay. I'm gonna knead it in the bowl. Because I don't want it sticking too much to the counter. It stinks.
I'll bet it does.
So sticky.
You swirl it around the bowl a little. Might as well clean the bowl while you're at it, right?
Yeah.
You should get all that over here.
Okay, so here's the fluffy slime that I made, and so if it like sticks to you, then all you have to do is this, and it will come like right off. And like I said, I would have done blue, but there wasn't any blue. All there was like yellow and green and red, which none of those I like.